Okay, we are going to start question number 3. The graph of y is equal to f of x is transformed to the graph of y is equal to f of 3x plus 2. Describe fully the two transformation which has been combined to give the resulting graph. We have the graph y is equal to f of x, which has been transformed to y is equal to f of 3x plus 2. You can see that this f of x has been transformed to f of 3x plus 2. And we know that if we have the f of x and has been transformed to this form, which involves many transformation. For example, A show the vertical stretching and compression, B show the horizontal stretching and compression. But if A is negative, it shows reflection in x-axis. If B is negative, then the reflection in y-axis, where H and K shows the horizontal and vertical translation or horizontal and vertical shifting. If we know these terms, we can easily solve. You can see that this one is B and 2 is the K. And B is not negative, so no reflection. So B represent the horizontal stretching and K shows the vertical translation. And the multiple will be represented by 1 by 3. And there is no H, no horizontal translation. So we can say that there is translation vertically by 2 and horizontal stretching by factor of 1 over 3, or we can say that translation by, first we write horizontal translation which is 0, so 0, and there is a vertical translation by 2 units, so this one is 2, and horizontal stretching by factor of 1 by 3. Now part B, a different graph has the equation y is equal to g of x. The graph is stretched by the factor 3. Okay, there is a stretching by the factor 3 in the y direction. In the y direction, it's mean, so there is a changing in the a. So this one is the a factor. And then reflected in the y direction, and reflection in y direction. This is a reflection in y direction. Okay, we need to make b negative. Okay, write down the equation of graph in term of the function. We have been given y is equal to g of x, and this function will be y is equal to 3 times g of x, because this one represent the stretching by factor 3 in y direction. Okay, you can see that this one is a, which is multiple with the f of x, which show the vertical stretching or compression, and then reflected in y direction. So y is equal to 3g of negative x, because I just told you that b, which is multiple with x inside the function, represent the reflection in y direction, so it should be negative. We can say that reflection in y axis. We can say that y is equals to 3 times g of negative x.